We started RedZone back in 2013, 2014.
We knew that when we created a connected workforce solution for the frontline to manufacturing, it had to be mobile.
There were very, very few covers available for the Apple devices.
We needed a ruggedized case that would work in the tough conditions of manufacturing that was scalable. We knew our goal was to be in 10,000 factories in 10 years.
So Joy Factory was one of the few options we could find. And we basically partnered with them early in their career, early in our career, and it was a great partnership. We've had absolute white glove service.
Whether they need 5 devices or they need 1,000 devices, we know we can send them to Joy Factory, and Joy Factory is going to take care of our customers.
I think in the early days of RedZone, we were selling software, but we made the software for iOS for Apple devices. In order to be successful and scale RedZone, we had to find a case solution that would allow us to continue and expand and not worry about the longevity of the iPads and the software on the shop floor. And so Joy Factory was there from the beginning and helped us enable that dream and make it happen in manufacturing.
We found that the process was important to really convey that not only the solution is about software and it's not only about hardware, it's really a combination of both. When the synergy is brought together where those two combine, we felt that it answered the need from the customer. And at the end of the day for them, it's about making it easy and seamless and having that 1-2 punch to complete that process for them.
The most exciting part of it is growing, and growing not only at RedZone and their customer base, but also the products we're going to be able to offer to them.
So they have their wheelhouse in regards to software, we have our wheelhouse in regards to hardware, and together we're a single solution that has an impact.
The thing that excites me most about the future with Joy Factory is having a partner that's proven and trusted.
And as we enter new markets and they enter new markets, we can do that together and continue expanding across other industries, across other continents.
The partnership and working with RedZone has been a joy.
We really think about the Joy Factory as an extension of our team.
Someone who's a third-party vendor for products like cases, that's the best you could ever ask for.